If you have data in Google Sheets, sales, inventory, and ranking, anything, you can turn it into a real web app for free. No server, no prior coding knowledge. This is the exact method I use with my own project as an example, so you can replicate it with your own data. This isn't just a tutorial to copy my project. It's a 4-step method that works with any Google Sheet. 1. Your data is organized in tabs. 2. You connect AppScript directly to the Google Sheet. 3. You use an AI as a partner to design and write the code, step by step. 4. You publish an URL anyone can open. I use it for a financial screener. You can use it for whatever you need. The step 1 is to organize your data in Google Sheets. With clear headers in the first row, I use 3 tabs, ranking and historical prices and quarterly data. The step 2 is from the same sheet, go to extension AppScript. This creates a project automatically linked to your spreadsheet. I organize my project into 4 files: code, that is the backend, all the codes that reads and process the data, and 3 frontend files: index for structure, style for visual design, and script for interaction. It's important to know that it's in a fixed role. A simple project can work perfectly with just 2 files. I split it into 4 because my project grew and this is the way easier to maintain. This is the key part. You don't need to know how to code for these steps. You need to know how to clearly describe what you want. I told the AI what columns had, what I want to the app show, and what design I was going for. And we build it together, function by function. First the backend, reading the sheet data, then the visual design. The specific features like filters, or in my case, a portfolio simulator with real risk simulation. It's important that I didn't accept everything the AI suggests without checking it. I ask it for the 5 technical limits, like how many rows Google Sheets can handle before it slows down. That saved me from publishing an app that wouldn't actually work very well. This process is exactly the same no matter what data do you have. Here is what it looks like at my specific case. There is a financial data on more than 500 stocks updates daily through a GitHub script. You can download and feature the same data from my repository, link it in the description, and use it as an example to practice the method. Here is what it looked like my specific case. Financial data for more than 500 stocks, updates daily through a GitHub script. You can download and feature the same data from my repository, link it in the description. I use it as an example to practice the method. So the real goal is you can apply this to your own data. It's a home screen with shared KPIs, a filter by a table by category, full details for each item on the side panel, and more advanced features, a simulator that builds portfolio with different risk level calculated with real statistics, not a simple shortcut. All of this came from conversation with the AI, not from writing every line from scratch, Last step is to deploy the new deployment in the web app. Google gives you a free URL instantly. You can even embed it inside your own domain if you already have, or change the URL name. One note, in my case involved financial data, the app includes a clear disclaimer. It's an educational tool, not an investment advice. If your project touches sensitive data, think about clarifying it. This tool limits you. The point of all this isn't for you to use my exact financial screener. I'm leaving 2 things in the description: a generic prompt to adapt with your own data, whatever it is, and detailed prompt with all the specific functionality of my project for anyone who wants something very similar on my starting point. One honest note is that your prompt won't give you a finished result on the first try. It took me dozens of adjustments, fixing real bugs, testing with my own data, and the prompt isn't the starting point. The result depends on your being just as demanding with the AI as I was. Tell me in the comment what data you have and what you like to build. Thank you very much. See you on next video. Bye bye.